Hello everyone and welcome back on the English as a Beauty YouTube channel. In today's video lesson, I'm going to talk about how to correctly use the future continuous tense to describe situations in progress at a certain time in the future. For example, this time next week I will be lying on the beach enjoying the sun. We also use the future continuous tense to describe situations in the future that will happen in the normal course of events. For example, the company chairperson will be arriving on Thursday. And we also use the future continuous tense to describe habits or repeated actions in the future. For instance, I think that in the future more and more people will be working remotely. But there is another very interesting rule for using the future continuous tense that many people are not aware of. So here's the deal. We use the future continuous tense to ask somebody for a favor or when we want to borrow something from them. For example, Anna, will you be using your car tomorrow? In this sentence, we are implying that we would like to borrow Anna's car, and now we are politely asking her to lend it to us. Hi Anna, will you be needing your car tomorrow? So in this sentence, we are politely asking Anna to lend her car. And I would also like to draw your attention to other ways to express the future in English.